much just a quick walkthrough of what I do on a nightly basis. I'm on a Swiss lathe machine, so pretty much running this machine here, doing the work in there, spits out parts over there. The one part of the gauges here. Of course, you gotta check your work. Schematics and everything like that. We just want to spit out some little pieces here.